So really straightforward, straight to our cabin, and our suitcases are there before us. We are in C729 on deck 10. So let's do a room tour. C729, it's on deck 10 and it's aft of the ship. Through the front door we are on an interior cabin. So as you walk in, the great thing is, my mum, there she is, but you've got this little dressing area which is fab. It's actually quite big, quite spacious, so we can dump all our bits and bobs there, all our clothes, luggage, keep it all out of the way. The bathroom's just there, won't go in right now because my sister's in there and that would be an awful sight. Let's carry on into the room. So there's 3 of us in here, obviously. So we've got the 2 single beds and then the Pullman bed, which is pulled down. There is another one this side, which we don't need, obviously, which is good because it gives us a bit more space. Nice big mirror at the back. Hello. So yeah, really nice room. You've got your 2 bedside tables, lamps, sockets. Is there sockets? Well, you've got light switches. Can't see any plug sockets there right now.
They're over there.
But you have got this lovely big dressing area as well. And I don't think it shows actually on camera how big it actually is. It feels a lot bigger than what it's looking. So here you've got nice desk area, chair, TV just up there. Obviously the big mirror. It's very warm in here, I have to say. So cupboard there, there's a hairdryer inside, which is good. And this must be the fridge. Yeah, so little fridge just here, which is also handy to have. You've got your kettle, cups, glasses, spoons, and inside here I'm assuming is your tea and coffee. Yeah, so tea, coffee, and even some biscuits. So yeah, everything you need really. I know it's an interior cabin, so you always think they're going to be quite compact, but actually we're surprisingly pleased with how much space we've got. So yeah, all good. And our cabin steward is Hilda. Thanks, Hilda. So this is your onboard activities newsletter. You'll get one of these delivered to you every single day, and that will tell you everything what's going on the ship and at what time and where it is. So they're always really good to have a little look through. My mum's even brought a highlighter to highlight the things she wants to do. And then you've just got some other bits of information to do with dining and things like that. So yeah, cabin's all good. So just got the bathroom left to show you, but now my mum's in there, so we'll just hang on. So yeah, this is the bathroom. You've got your hanging space there for your towels. You've got your shower. The shower's actually really lovely. It's so powerful and so hot all the time. It's really nice. You get your toiletries there, shampoo, conditioner. It is a shower curtain, which I know some people really don't like, but it doesn't bother us. It's a shower curtain. Like, what is there to complain about? And then, yeah, your sink, toilet, all your shelving for all your bits and pieces. I mean, yeah, it's a bathroom. It's got everything in it you would possibly want in a bathroom. So in the dressing room as well, there is this great big, tall, skinny wardrobe. And it's got a safe in here, which is great. So always handy. Just chuck anything in there that you need to keep nice and secure, passports, etc. Life jackets up there. Hopefully we won't be needing them. But yeah, cute little cabin.